welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be breaking down this trade that I took here on US30 on Friday, and I actually sent this trade out to the free signals chat. So if you guys are interested in free signals every now and then, if you guys want to join the live trading room where we trade live every single morning, click the links in the description down below. You guys will see free Discord. You guys will see all of our services that we offer as well, and our one-on-one mentorship program. So without wasting any further time, let's go ahead and get straight into this. So the very first thing I want to show you guys is on the 1 hour time frame. Remember, I trade supply and demand, so I'm looking for areas to sell from on US30. So coming into the market, we had an area of supply here on the 1 hour time frame, so we had to watch out for this level here, and as well as this level here on the 1 hour as well. So this was a true area of supply and demand, or my bad, of supply, because this is the previous contrary candle which created that move to the downside. And after that, this would have also been a 1 hour supply. Prices already used it, but remember, it's not the true area of supply. This one is, because this is where all the volume came from and all the selling pressure came from. So now let's hop into the 15-minute time frame. And pre-market, we can see that we have a level of supply here on the 15-minute as well as on the 5-minute time frame. And we were trading live with the team, so I want to show you guys what I was looking at coming into the markets on Friday. So 6:30 a.m. is going to come around in a little bit. We're going to scale down to the 1 minute because I like to monitor all of my trades on the 1 minute time frame. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. You guys are going to see right now what I'm talking about. So 6:30 a.m. the market opens up, starts dumping immediately, and this is what most people would call a sort of liquidity sweep, right? Taking orders out of the market, and as soon as that happens, price pulls back into this area that we were looking at. Remember, this is not the true area of supply, but it was an area that we had to keep in mind. So all we were waiting for now was for our criteria to be met. So what I like to wait for is for a bearish candle to form right after this huge bullish engulfing candle, whatever you want to call it, bullish candle. As soon as that closes, I'm waiting for a bearish candle. Boom, we got that right there on the 1 minute. Now, what I would like to see is for us to retrace at least halfway into this wick. So I want us to retrace about there, right? So now I want to show you guys where I decided to take my entry, right about there. So this was about halfway towards that wick, and I wanted to take my entry there, and I alerted the signals team. I'm going to go ahead and put it somewhere right there on the screen for you guys to see that we called this out for free, not only in the signals chat for people who weren't able to join the live trading room, but as well as the live trading room that where we trade literally for free every single morning. You don't got to pay us a single dollar, and it is going to be free for another week or 2 weeks. We're not too sure. We've been trying to close it off, but you guys just show so much love and so much support. So we want you guys to make money with us as well. So like I said, I sent this entry right here, and as soon as that happens, price pulls back into that area, like I said, halfway into the area of that wick multiple times, and it just starts dumping, right? It dumped about 160 points or so, and a lot of people took profits, and I told them, hey, you know what? Do not close this trade. And I'm going to show you guys why I told them not to close this trade. Because I had an area of demand on the 1 hour and on the 4 hour time frame, right? Let's go ahead and show you guys. On the 4 hour time frame, this was the area of demand that we were looking at right about here, right? As well as the 1 hour time frame. We'll scale down to that, and you guys will see this is the 1 hour, right about there. Now remember, we are always looking for the previous contrary candle that creates the distribution to whatever side of the market, whether it's the downside or to the upside. The rules always remain the same, right? So like I said, this is a trade that I called out, and let's see how it ended up playing out. So after a couple minutes into the market open, price did dump a couple hundred points, about 160 points roughly, and price starts to reverse. Now, remember, we have pre-market levels of supply here on the 15-minute time frame. Here's our 5-minute right around here, as well as the 15-minute. Remember, keep these areas in mind. 15-minute right here. So price keeps pulling back into these areas, and it keeps on recruiting new sellers coming into the market. This is very important, right? Now let's see this trade play out. We pull back into that area multiple times. Now price starts dumping down straight into our take profit zone, making us a whopping P&L of boom right there on the screen. So this is just a quick little, very short actually breakdown video of what happened in US30. I'm going to try to make these videos quick and short and easy for everybody to understand, and try to, go into detail, but just not waste too much time, because I know you guys' time is very valuable, as is mine. So that was it. So some key takeaway points, some key points that we need to look at here is, why did I take this trade? Number one, we had our higher time frame entry confirmation here and here as well, both 1 hour zones. And we also had two lower time frames, which were the 15-minute and the 5-minute time frame. As soon as we started breaking below the previous high of day, that just gave me the entry, or my bad, it didn't give me the entry. It gave me the confidence to know that we're going to be able to hold this trade until these areas of demand, all the way down here for a nice 1-to-6 risk reward ratio and a whopping 300 points on the day. So that was the end of this trade. Like I said, I'm going to keep these short, and I hope everybody enjoys these videos. Next, we're going to be doing a breakdown of Euro USD, and then I'm pretty sure I'm going to be posting these the same day, which is Saturday, August 31st. And then on Sunday, we will be back doing our weekly watch list in the live trading room as well. So if you guys want to join that, you guys will be able to, using the links in the description down below. If you guys are looking to use some of the best brokers in the game for futures, Forex, commodities, and all in between, crypto, trading, coffee, whatever, all the links will be down there below. And if you guys want to sign up for one-on-one mentorships to actually truly learn how to find trades like these and take them consistently almost every single day with a winning rate of between 70 to 90% on average and a risk reward of 1 to 3, go click those links in the description. I'm telling you guys, do not sleep on these. But without further ado, we're about to get into the next video. So I hope to see you guys there, and peace.